So if you're currently unhappy with your current physique, there's some body fat you want to lose, but you still want muscle to gain, so you're not sure whether to go on a cut or on a bulk. But either way, you know that in 2026, you want to have the best year of your life, and you want to finally build that dream physique that you've been struggling to build for years, then this video is for you. 99.999% of men are going to plan to start some form of transformation in January, and quite often they end up leaving it until February, or some dudes even procrastinate all the way up until March. And the reason this is a big problem and why I'm making this video is it's not the fact that they don't know what to do. It's not the fact that they lack discipline. It's the fact they're so stuck in their old habits of promising themselves they're going to do something about it, but never actually doing it. And the longer this goes on, and you keep saying you're going to do something and then you don't do it, you're just reinforcing that self-doubt that you won't be able to do it. You might say, sure, I'm going to start my diet in January. I'm going to start Monday. And it comes round and you already know in the back of your mind, you're probably not going to do it. And that is based on the fact that your habits have reinforced that. Now, let's say you do start on the Monday. Let's say you do start in the January. Then the next problem is going to arise. Well, do you have a clear plan? Do you have a clear specific goal? If you want to lose body fat and gain muscle, that's two different goals. You can't really do them at the same time unless you're really, really hyper specific and you know what you're doing. So if you try something and it doesn't work, you're going to lose motivation, you're going to lose interest, and you're probably going to stop. And this is why so many men tell themselves every single year they're going to get in shape, but they still have the same habits, they still have the same lack of knowledge, they still lack clarity on what to do, and they still just do the same thing every year. They tell themselves they're going to start, they either do or they don't, and when they do, they realize they don't really know what they're doing, they don't really know what to do next, and either lose motivation and fizzle out, or sometimes you might see a little bit of progress and then it stops working and then you don't know what to do, life gets busy and you tell yourself to pick it up next time. And that's where the problem lies. You stop and start all the time. Now, the reason this video is being made right now in December is I've learned something. The guys that get the transformations in the new year have already started now. And that's for one simple reason. If you're serious about achieving a goal, you wouldn't procrastinate or put it off or kick the can down the road or set a deadline to start. You would just start. Anytime there's something you want to do or achieve, you're going to start immediately. You're not going to go, yeah, I really want to get in shape. I'll tell you what though, I won't start yet. I'll wait months and go backwards and then start. That's already starting off on the wrong foundation. You're already procrastinating on a goal. In terms of building a physique, when it comes to losing body fat and gaining muscle, you're either moving forwards or you're moving backwards. There isn't really an in-between. So if you want to get in shape and you're going to wait for 2 months, you're basically saying, hey, I'm going to go backwards for 2 months, then spend a month trying to get back to normal, then another 2 months to look exactly the same as I do now, and then I'll get on with it. And the likelihood that's probably not going to happen. Maybe it didn't happen last year. And as someone that's been coaching for well over 10 years, I still have the same conversations with the same people that said they're going to start and they didn't start, and then they said they're going to try this and then didn't do it and then did that and then did that. And then 6-7 years down the road, they're still going, yep, New Year's, I'm going to start. And then they just try another fad diet or they just do a little workout routine for a few weeks, see a tiny bit of progress and think, oh, getting there. And then lo and behold, life gets busy, their habits are still out of whack, their planning strategy is too vague, they hit a wall and they just fall off, get distracted and go backwards. And guess what? Then they're going to wait until the next time. And that's the problem. It's the habits, it's the lack of clarity, the lack of structure, and quite often a lack of accountability. It's unrealistic to expect to go from being bad habits, bad nutrition, bad planning, low motivation to suddenly just following a plan and sticking to it perfectly and getting the result. Yet that's what every man tries to do. So if you're serious about getting in the best shape of your life in 2026, you should already be starting right now. Now, I know you're thinking, oh, but it's Christmas. What about Christmas dinner? Yeah, you can have one day off. That's fine. But there's no point taking the whole month off and sitting on your ass and voluntarily going backwards and making your habits worse and worse and worse, so that when January comes around and you're still hungover from New Year's Eve, you're still not going to get on with it. And like I said, I've been a coach for a very, very long time. And I'll be honest, most people start in March. Everyone says, oh, it's going to be busy in January for you. Nope, it's March. People tell themselves it's going to start in January. They procrastinate and don't start. They get to February, they start, they realize they can't do it on their own. And that's when people start reaching out for help. But normally by March, they're pushing it a bit short because a few months down the road, it's going to be summertime. And then they fall off again. And then they wait until winter and go, shit, I'll start in New Year's. So start now. Even if you feel like you can't do it on your own, just get started. Even if you're not sure exactly what to do, start paying attention to your calories. Work out at home if that's what it takes. And I'll be honest with you, the gyms are quiet this time of year, so now's the best time to get started. I've had several clients join me this time of year and they've done exceptionally well. Like Matt, he actually started around Christmas time. He had an anniversary and Christmas on the horizon and he was still able to lose his belly within about 12 weeks. Just because it's Christmas time does not mean you cannot make progress. And I would argue it's the best time to make progress because it's quiet in the gyms. The weather's not great, so you're not going to be out in the beer gardens. And if nothing, you get a head start ready for January. When January hits, you've already got the momentum. Your fitness, conditioning and confidence will be at a higher point ready for January. Instead of waking up January feeling really, really bad, realizing you probably haven't got what it takes to get on track yet, kicking the can down the road, starting in February, and then realizing the whole year is just going to be a waste like last time and the time before. Make it different. Get started now. If you're not sure what calories, what you should be hitting, you can download my free nutritional blueprint. And if you want some help from me directly, there is a link in the bio to drop me a message or book a call. I am going to be making a lot better videos in the New Year's with a lot more structure than this one, but I just wanted to put this out there because this time of year, I always notice that every goal, all my New Year's resolutions that I set for 2026, I'm already actioning them now. I'm already on them now, which is why they often end up happening. Whereas all the goals I set for next year that I haven't started in December quite often never happen. You're far more likely to succeed if you start now instead of waiting and procrastinating. So use this video as a little kick up the ass to even just start something. Even if you just start going to the gym again and still eating your shit food, just get the momentum, get the self-belief that you're going to do it, and you're far more likely to have a better year next year. I hope this video helps you, point you in the right direction. And if you need a bit more clarity on what to do to fix skinny fat, watch this video over here. Whatever one's there. It's probably a good one. Maybe. Maybe not. You can tell me.